Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 7. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's go to Google app and tap button in the top right corner. Go to settings, enter Google Assistant and go to voice match. Enable OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. Now go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 59 and a low of 38.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.